Hello, Modesto City Schools teachers. Welcome to this guide on using Magic School to create digital rubrics that can live year after year in Schoology. Digital rubrics are fast, flexible, and focused. They save time, provide consistency in grading, and help students understand expectations clearly. In just a few minutes, we'll generate a rubric using Magic School and seamlessly integrate it into Schoology. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to go over some AI best practices and considerations. One, we got to check for bias and accuracy. AI may generate biased or incorrect content, so always review before sharing. Two, the 80-20 approach. AI can do 80% of the heavy lifting, but your final review ensures accuracy, relevance, and clarity. Three, your judgment matters. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your professional expertise. Four, know the limits. AI knowledge can be limited to as far back as 2023 only, so verify recent topics. And finally, protect privacy. Never include student names or staff details. AI tools may not use your data, but they may share it with other vendors who will. Let's get started. We're going to start by heading to the MCS app portal, and we're going to go to our AI tool folder to find Magic School AI. If this is your first time logging in, you'll just use your Modesto City Schools credentials. This is what the platform looks like. It actually has a rubric generator, but what I have found is that with our free version of the tool is that although the rubric generator is very helpful, it will only allow us to use it one at a time, meaning once I've generated a rubric, I have to then switch back to the rubric generator and start over instead of adding on to the content that I've just created. With the paid plan, we can continue to have that thought exchange with Magic School, but we're going to share how to work around that rubric generator. What you're going to do is you're going to head over here to Raina. Raina is the chatbot. Think of her as like the ChatGPT of Magic School. In Raina, we can have a thought exchange. We can use her as a thought partner, and we can edit what we want her to change about the rubric she's created. Let's start here. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a holistic rubric, a 4-point scale rubric, on something fun like breakfast in bed. Let's see her do her magic. I have asked Raina to create a 4-point holistic rubric on breakfast in bed. I gave her parameters like students will get an overall score based on food quality, presentation, and the comfort of the environment. Once I've put in my parameters, I go ahead and click Send. And just like that, Raina will give me an output. Here's a 4-point holistic rubric for evaluating breakfast in bed based on food quality, presentation, and comfort of the environment. I think it looks great, but if I'm unsatisfied with it, I can send her a message and ask her to edit by simply typing into the chatbot again. Let's take this content over to the Schoology group that we created for our PLC. Once I'm here in my PLC collab group, I can add that rubric that I just created over in Magic School. You're going to go here to Resources. You're going to go here to Add Resources, and we click Add a Rubric. Unfortunately, we can't make the screen so it's full screen, but we can grab this toggle here in the corner and extend it so that it is pretty much full screen. And now it's just a matter of copy and paste. I'm going to put in that this is my breakfast in bed project, which I've already started. And here, I'm going to put that it is overall score And the description is going to be, now that we've done that, I can add my grading scale. It is already on a 4-point scale, but if I'd like to add additional criteria, I'd simply click this button. Let's go ahead and copy and paste. All you have to do is now hit create. And now we have that rubric available to attach to our other courses or other groups. I can share it to the courses that I already have. So here I can add to course and choose from any of my courses or all of them. Now those rubrics are a resource in my courses where my students are and also in my collab space with my PLC group. Thanks for joining us.